Do you miss bagels while you're on keto? Me too. And that's exactly why I made these really, really good keto bagels. Let's get cooking. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, or that's roughly about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to add your almond flour into your bowl, followed by your baking soda. And then you're going to give it a good whisk through. Now you're gonna put that bowl to the side, and then you're going to grab a separate bowl, one that you can microwave, and add in your mozzarella, and then your cubed cream cheese. Microwave your cheese for 1 minute, then give it a good stir, and then microwave it again for another minute just to make sure it is nice and gooey. Then very quickly, you're going to add in your eggs and add in your almond flour baking soda mix, and then stir it together with your hands. Make sure they're clean. Now that we have our dough, you're going to divide it into 6 little tiny balls, and then you're gonna roll out each one of those balls and then make a little circle shape with them, and this is where we are going to form our bagel shapes. Make sure you kind of clip the edges together just so they can really stick. Now that we have our bagels, it's time to press on our toppings. So today I'm going to be using the everything but the bagel seasoning, but I am putting it on my bagel, so I guess it's everything and the bagel seasoning today. I don't know, but anyway, you can add whatever you want. You could have chia seeds, you could have onions, you could have sesame seeds, you could leave it plain, whatever you like, it's totally your choice. All right, they are ready to go in the oven, so throw them in there for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they are nice and golden brown, and then you're going to wait for about maybe 2 minutes just so they can cool down so you don't burn yourself. Trust me, it's the hardest part. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.